Hi everybody, my name is Jordan from Redfield. Today we're going to look at this 3+1 bedroom apartment in Vistaria Residensi. Okay, let's go. So first thing you notice, you have the grill in front of us. This thing all has been installed properly already. And then you have the main door down here. Alright. So on the left, you have a blinds, roller blinds, and the owner has already installed a full height shoe rack. You do not need to do anything. Okay, so let's go. This is the door. Yeah, so this space onwards is all your personal space already. Wow, look at the house. Yeah, so it's actually really beautiful. Yeah, so the first thing you'll notice is that she has done up a plaster ceiling with an inverse lighting. Yeah, so you see all the orange light is actually inside of the plaster ceiling. You know, that means it doesn't reach your eyes directly, but at the same time it feels very warm and also very bright. Okay, so come. Once you go in, you walk straight. This is actually the living room down here. Yeah, we have already closed all the curtains just to highlight the lights. After this, I will open the curtains and we can see. So this is where the TV goes. You can put your internet next to the TV, and also your sofa will be here. Alright, so you'll be sitting here to watch your TV from here. Okay, so I'll just turn the camera behind now. Alright, yeah, these are all the rooms. You can put your dining table right in the middle here. Yeah, currently her table is here and she has an extra cabinet here. If you don't want this, we can remove. It's not an issue. Okay, and then behind there is the kitchen cabinet lah. We will go and see after this. Okay, yeah, so now let's go and look at the balcony view. This is the balcony. This is the main balcony. Yeah, so alright. It's a very spacious balcony, about 6 feet, and then you've got the aircon compressor ledge down there. So on the right side, you can actually see all the ampang already. Yeah, the backdrop of the mountains and the low-rise apartments around us. Yeah, okay. So we have a few other condos also outside of our house, and then you have M Vertica. So behind of M Vertica is already Sunway Velocity. There, you can actually see that thing there. Is it? Yeah, here, that small little thing is Sunway Velocity. You know, so in terms of location, very excellent. Yeah, and you see that thing there? That's actually the train tracks. Alright, so everything is very well connected. Pudu is just behind there. KL is that side also. Yeah, okay. So now let's go in and look at the house again. Alright, yeah, I will show you the bedrooms first. Yeah, she has a very nice lighting down here. Alright, so on the left, this is actually the third bedroom. Yeah, so once again, she has done up custom-made curtains for the whole window. You have an aircon and also you have a nice warm light, designer light with candice, this like plaster ceiling on all corners of the wall. Alright, so after that you have built-in wardrobe all the way up. Yeah, so you see properly, even the built-in wardrobe, you know, it matches with the plaster ceiling on top and the side of it, the candice. So it's actually very nice. Okay, so this is the wardrobe, a lot of space. Yeah, okay. So now let's go and look at the second room. Yeah, all right. You turn here. You have the second bedroom. So the second bedroom is slightly bigger than the third bedroom. You have windows on both sides. Yeah. Okay. All right. And once again, you have nice lighting, a full height wardrobe, and also plaster ceiling with a candice on the side. You got an aircon, and also you got a second window down here. Yeah, this is the view. Wow, nice, right? Look at the sky. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. So this bedroom is big enough for you to put a queen size bed, and also if you want, you can install a TV down here on this wall. All right. So now the next room we're going to look at is a common bathroom. So once again, it's actually very well maintained, very nicely designed. She has installed a kitchen, bathroom sink, you know, with this waterproof surface, metal aluminium shelf, and a huge sink. Yeah, water pressure, very good. Okay, you got the long mirror. Okay, and after that you have a towel hanging rack, 1, 2, 3. You got a water heater there. You got this place to put your shampoo also. This is all by developers. You got a bidet on the left, and then you also have a custom ordered blinds, roller blinds. Yeah, so why she put the blinds? So that she can block the sun out. We're going to pull up the blinds a bit. Yeah. Okay, so if you want open, you can open the blinds. Then you can open the window outside. Yeah, okay. If you don't want, you can close the blinds. So I will close back the blinds so that the house it looks orange to match the overall color. Yeah, this is the water heater also. Okay, Panasonic brand. Everything is complete. Like seriously, the whole house, everything is complete. You just need to touch up a few things here and there to your own preference. Okay, so now we are going to look at the third room. Alright, this room here is actually the master bedroom. Yeah, I have also closed all the curtains so that we can see the lighting. Yeah, but after this I'll open. She has painted the master bedroom to a light shade of green, to give it a very peaceful feel. Yeah, so you have the aircon, orange light on top, and also a built-in cabinet all the way to the top, painted in sky blue. Yeah. Okay. One curtain and a second curtain. Yeah. So let's open the curtain and see. Yeah. So you see, actually, the master bedroom here got a balcony. Yeah, it's a balcony. Yeah, and you can see the view from here. Yeah. So this direction is actually facing the front of the condo already. Yeah, we are facing the front of the condo. Yeah, and this is the balcony. Yeah, so you can see from here. All right. Yeah. Okay. So now we will go and look at the bathroom. Yeah. So the same like the common bathroom, you have a nice countertop, sink top, and then you have also a storage space below. You've got a toilet, WC with a bidet on the left, place to put your shampoo. She has a shower screen, and then she also has a roller blinds and a towel hanging rack and water heater. So like seriously, everything is here already. Yeah, you got a light on top there. Okay, the bathroom is actually very spacious, so you don't feel like your hands are touching both walls when you shower. Yeah, it's very spacious and it's very comfortable. Okay, so now let's go and look at the kitchen. We will go and look at the kitchen. Yeah. So the first thing I like to point out is that this cabinet here is actually not fitted to the house. This is a loose furniture. If you want, you can keep. If you don't want, you can remove. Not an issue. It will not cause any damage to the walls or to the tiles. Yeah, but they like it because it provides a lot of additional storage space. Yeah, look at all the cabinets. Okay, so the next thing now, we will look at the kitchen. This kitchen cabinet has been renovated by the owner. Yeah, the first thing I'd like to share with you is that it's all fitted from end to end, all the way up. Yeah, and if you see properly, they have this hydraulic cushioning mechanism. Yeah, so it helps to slow the thing down. So it's actually very nice. You have one sink here. Yeah. Okay. Water pressure, very good. Yeah. And she has also installed a place to put her water filter. This water filter, if you want, you can take into one. We can always remove, and you can put your new water filter on top. Okay. The plugs are there. The water point is also there. See, the water pipe is there. Okay. Then after that, she has also installed 6 plugs to put your kettle, your toaster, your microwave, everything you want. A lot of space. Yeah, okay. You have a lot of storage space also below and above. And then on top of that, you have another storage space down here. Yeah, look at this. Wow, full height. Yeah, by the way, this place you can actually put your microwave oven. The wiring is already complete. Yeah, you just put in a nice oven and then it's good to go. Okay. And on top of that also, you have so many space on top. Yeah, I'd like to show you one more thing, guys. Yeah, see, once you open this, wow. Okay, this thing she has custom made. Yeah, this is a rack to keep your fresh food and your dry food. Yeah, so if you have like beans, soya sauce, powder, all you can put here. You can arrange all the way up, and it's very easy to reach. At the same time, it's also fully enclosed. Yeah, so it's it's very, very neat and tidy, and it's also very structurally safe. Okay, so you can imagine the whole kitchen is actually very complete already. Yeah, so now I'll just show you one last part. Yeah, this is actually the wet kitchen. Yeah, all right. So once you have prepared all your food already, you can come out here. She has done up a countertop, made of tiles and concrete, and then this is the induction cooker, two surface. Okay, yeah. So, and on top of that, you also have the Alba ventilation fan, hood and hob. They are both here. Right, this fan will go up and out. Yeah. So after that, if you want more ventilation, you can open this. This is the yard window. It comes with grill also, and you will block the sun. Right. So yeah, just one last thing, guys. This is the place where you can put your washing machine. All right. So this is the tap plug, and the way out is there. Yeah. So it's just nice. And behind of this door is actually a storeroom. Yeah, hey, there's a storeroom down here. Yeah, so you can use it as a +1 if you have a maid. If not, you can always use it as a storeroom to keep all your vacuum cleaners, your luggage bag. And she has also installed additional cabinets on top here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I know this video is like almost 11-12 minutes already. Yeah, but really this house is very, very complete. Even the storeroom have plaster ceiling with the candies on top. Yeah. So okay guys, with that, this is the end of the video. If you think that this house is suitable for you, you can let me know. Alright, and then I will arrange for you and your family to come and view this house. Yeah, so I like this house very much because the ID all makes sense. It's very practical, at the same time also it looks very good. Yeah, and for you, if you're going to buy this house, you do not need to spend the money to do up the whole house all over again. Alright, so thank you for watching everyone. If you need anything, let me know. Jordan from Redfield. Bye bye.